personally, I feel one of the biggest roadblocks in people understanding politics is the constant confusion between these three ideologies: Marxism, communism, and socialism. And today we're going to clear this confusion up under 40 seconds. Marxism. Now, Marxism is not a government system, especially not a country. It's a theoretical lens developed by Karl Marx to understand how the societies work. At its core, Marxism asks these three important questions: who owns the important resources like land, capital, factories, who does the work, and who benefits from that work? Marx argued that under capitalism, those who own capital gain power and wealth, while those who sell their labor remain dependent and vulnerable. This tension between classes, workers and owners, is what he called the class struggle. Socialism is all about changing how the ownership works. The basic idea being, अगर सारी power ownership से आती है, तो ownership कुछ लोगों के हाथ में concentrate होने ही मत दो. So under this system, key industries or services like health, transport, energy, land, etc., these are collectively owned either by society, cooperative, or the state. The goal is to reduce exploitation, inequality, or economic insecurity. Now, socialism is still a state-based society. Laws exist, governments exist, money usually exists, classes may still exist, but with less extreme inequality. And this is why socialism is still described as a transformational state. The final destination being communism, the theoretical end point. एक ऐसी सोसाइटी जहां क्लास डिविजन्स नहीं रहती, अमीर गरीब का कॉन्सेप्ट खत्म हो जाता है, क्योंकि एक्सट्रीम पैसे बनाने वाले रिसोर्सेज जैसे लैंड, फैक्ट्रीज, ये कोई भी प्राइवेटली कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता. नाउ सिंस नो सिंगल ग्रुप इज कंट्रोलिंग द वेल्थ, तो जो क्लास स्ट्रगल था बिटवीन ओनर्स एंड वर्कर्स, वो भी खत्म हो जाता है. सो देयर इज नो क्लास कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. पीपल स्टिल ओन बिलोंगिंग्स. वो कपड़े, मकान, ये सब कुछ रहेगा, पर वो एक्सट्रीम वेल्थ जनरेटिंग एसेट्स नहीं रहेंगे जिनकी वजह से वो डोमिनेट कर पाए दूसरे लोगों पर. एंड दिस इज हाउ यू मेजरली डिस्क्राइब दीज थ्री आइडियोलॉजीज.